Welcome back. It is given measure of angle 1 equals measure of angle 2 equals measure of angle 3. It is also given to us AB, let's see, AB is right here, is 120 centimeter. EF is 150. Let's label it. EF is 150. And DE is 300 centimeters. Ask us what is the length of BC. All right. Remember earlier we studied a rule. The rule says if 3 parallel lines intersect 2 transversals, then they divide the transversals proportionally. Now, we don't have the 3 parallel lines yet, but we can find it by using this. This angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, they all have the same angle measure. That means they're congruent. If they're congruent, let's see what's happening. What kind of angle they are? They are good. Did you see their corresponding angles? Remember, if 2 lines are cut by a transversal, corresponding angles congruent, then these 2 lines are parallel lines. So we can confirm these 2 lines are parallel. Now, let's continue. Angle 2 and angle 3 also has the same angle measure. 2 lines cut by transversal, corresponding angles congruent. That means these 2 lines are parallel. Now we can just prove verbally all 3 lines, L1, L2, L3. They are parallel lines. All right. If they're parallel lines, we're able to use, if 3 parallel lines intersect 2 transversals, then they divide the transversals proportionally. Now we can confidently write down this. 300 to 150 is 2 BC or CB. Let's just write CB since it asks us CB. We'll just write CB to 120. All right. Did you see here's a 0, here's a 0. That's a tenth. So we can simplify, become 30 to 15. 30 to 15, that is 2. Okay. So which gives us BC is 240. That's it. Happy learning.